welcome to Bite-Sized Media Making with CME. I'm Cindy Candelario, your host, and in this episode we'll be going over how to find and create timelines using DaVinci Resolve. Super simple, super essential step to your video editing. Let's get into it. To create a new timeline, we're going to create a new project. And we're going to go over here to Media Pool. We're going to right click. We're going to create new timeline. When we create new timeline, we're going to give it a name and click create. You'll see it pops open this space in the bottom that has all these tracks that you can upload your audio and video, all of your visuals to. And this is where the work will get done. You're piecing together all of your videos. This is where you'll drop everything that you're going to be working with before and through the alignment process. Sometimes you can just drag and drop videos or audios into this space and the timeline will create itself because it is necessary. But if that does happen, it won't have a name, it won't have a title, you won't really be paying attention to where the timeline saves in all of the media pools. So I like to put everything in bins just to stay organized. It's best just to make sure that you're getting this step done in the beginning so you know where to go to come back to it whenever you need. Hey, welcome back. We really hope you enjoyed this episode of Bite-Sized Media Making with CME. Please like this video or subscribe to our YouTube page for more, and we'll see you next episode.